everybody, it's Catfish, and I'm back with another video. And on today's video, I'm gonna take you guys, I'm doing something out of the norm. I'm actually taking some rap off of one of our brother YouTuber, Swole 55's Corvette. I'm gonna show you car, then I'm gonna show you where we at. There's Zeus right there. And let me show you where we at. This is where we at, guys. It's Raps. Yes, Sirski, this is where we at. So yeah, I'm about to take the wrap, that stripe on the hood, I'm about to take it off. This will be the last time that you see Zeus in this form. Yes, sir. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me and show you how it's done. All right, here we go. First of all, you gotta get a heat gun to loosen up and get the corner and then peel it off. This is a stripe. I got one here I gotta take off. I got one on the hood and two on the trunk. All right, I'll let you see it. So the first thing you do is heat up the corner. And I gotta get my plastic tools, guys. So I got my plastic tool right here. So I heated it up. So I gotta get to the corner of it and pop it up. And then once it pops up, then I'll be able to get it out of there. Y'all see it. I don't need too much heat. Y'all see how that came up like that? And once it comes up, you get the corner up, you start peeling it off. See? And then after you do this, you gotta go back with some glue gun and get the adhesive off. Yeah, guys, he got a new concept coming. Y'all will see it. Heat this up on real low heat. You don't need a lot of heat. Low heat like this, loosen it up. Y'all remember the video I did with when I debadged that truck, Silverado. It's the same concept. Always go back and get the edges later. Yeah, guys, I'm just trying to save Zay a little time so he won't have to do all this. And Swole actually asked me to do it. So here I am. Not that hard. All right, guys, you get the drip up, so I'll be back in a second. Oh, shit, I ain't even... Yeah, I'll be back in a second, guys. All right, guys, y'all see that? All that black is gone. That black that was right there is gone. For you guys that don't know, this towel is acting as a fender cover because I don't have one. Because when I have to reach over to get all this area done, I don't want to mess my brother's paint up. Even though I don't have nothing on that's gonna mess it up. I ain't got nothing but just a double layer. Y'all see it all gone, no glue. That's the hood. Now we're going up top now. I gotta get that off. I wonder, should I take it off and do it? Think it'd be easier?
What do you mean take it
Huh?
off? What do you mean?
Take the top off. I don't know. We'll figure that out. I'm talking to Pops right now. Y'all can't see him. Y'all need to see him anyway. But we'll figure that one out. All right, guys. I'll get back to you in a second. All right, guys. We're about to tackle the top of this thing. I'm going to let you see a little bit of it when I get it up. And then when I'll show you when I get a little bit of it up. Heat it up. Got a plastic tool. And you hit the corner and it pops right up. It's not rocket scientist. Because it's tucked down. See, if you got nails, you can do a little bit too. It's just a little side stripe. Look at it. See that? Coming right up. Bang! That's easy. Now, I'm going to hit this with the heat gun up here at the top. Pop that corner up. And then, yeah. We got this one, this little stripe right here. I got that pulled back. Okay, y'all see that? Now I gotta get this right here. I got it. Yeah. It's a little tedious sometimes, but I see it. I'm gonna let y'all, bring y'all up there and let y'all see it. This is what it looks like from up top. See, I pull this corner back. I pull this corner back. Now that's a stripe. I gotta take this stripe off, the little red one, and then I gotta come back here, take this stripe off, and the red stripe, and then I'm done de-striping it. Because all the rest of this red is gonna stay. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to let y'all see how that's done. And then when I get done, I'll let y'all see how it turns out. I'll get back with you guys in a minute.
Yeah, that's nice.
All right, guys, look. Gone. Y'all see it? All gone. Like I said, I ain't want to bore you guys with the, like I said, I let you see the corners. Now all I got to do is this little spot right here. These two. And that's it. And I'm done. So, y'all, yep, it's my, if y'all didn't know, this is Zeus. So, go follow my brother. We're trying to get him to that magic 1,000 plateau. Y'all all know what it is. Follow him on all social medias right there. When y'all see Zeus again, he ain't gonna look nothing like this. And look, guys. He got the little model car sitting there. All right, guys. I'll get back with you guys in a second. I got to do the back of the car. And once I peel up the corners, I'll let you see it. All right, I'll get back with you guys in a second. All right, guys, I'm going to take you along for the last little piece. Okay. For what again? See? Put the heat gun on it for a second. Get the corner up, because it's tough. Get the corner. Once you get the corner up, just peel it back. See, because it's tucked up under there. Y'all see how it's coming up? Get the corner up, pull it on back, like this. And guys, this is my first time ever removing a wrap, so I'm learning as I go. Y'all know we had this wraps. I already showed you that. So all I can show you is the sign. They got a lot of projects going on that y'all will see in their videos. Y'all know I ain't one of them video stealers. This is how you do it. But I did the whole car. And I got some paint correction to do. When I do that, I'll let you see that too. See? Pull it back like this. You don't need no more heat after that. Once you get the corner. See? It comes on up, guys. Get to the back. Get that. Take your time. Get that corner out of there, like that. That's it. See that? Look at that. Coming right off of there. Look at that. Look at that. See? Then I got to go back and wipe it down. Get the adhesive off, even though it's not none showing. Pretty simple. Just like debadging a car almost, guys. Now watch this last strike. That's it. She's done. It took me about an hour and a half. All right, guys, I'm gonna let you see this. See? There it is. Nice and clean. I'm gonna wipe it down, and then that's it. It's all the wrap is off. Yeah, I see it. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this edition of Catfish Corner. Y'all see where I'm at, man. It's wraps. Just unwrap Zeus, and the next time you see Zeus, he going to be in a whole different element. All right, guys. We had this wraps, and just like that, this video is over. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.